Hi, this is Allison Sheridan, and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. This week, I'm going to teach you the powerful features of the free Google Forms service to create surveys, organize events, and get feedback from people while adding your own creative design to the interface. Let's start at drive.google.com. In the upper left, we can see New, and when selected, we have the usual options to create a new doc, sheet, or slide, and below that, it says Google Forms. If you simply select Google Forms, you'll get a new blank form. But if you hover over the arrow to the right, you have the option to start a blank form, a blank quiz, or start from a template. Let's take a brief look at the templates just to give you an idea of the kinds of forms you can build, and then we'll start from scratch and build our own. At the top, you'll see recently used templates. Below that, we have personal, and then work, and then education. You might find it useful to open these up to get ideas of forms you might like to make, but let's dig in and make our own. I'll close this tab, and then I'll choose to create a new blank form. As soon as you start a form, you'll see 3 tabs across the top. We have questions, responses, and settings.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.